Hey guys, my name is Rashta Habibi and I'm a student of St. Anandaram Japuria College studying food and nutrition in semester 5. So today in this video I'm gonna share a very quick and very healthy recipe which is spinach carrot idli. It is very easy to make and it is really rich in vitamins and it increases our healthy gut flora. Now let's look into the ingredients which we will be needing for making the spinach carrot idli. So first come the Sooji, which is 250 grams. Then we are gonna need some oil, carrots, eno packets, hung curd, curry leaves, mustard seeds, and some salt. And the main ingredient here is the spinach. Now we are gonna make spinach puree, for which we are gonna first boil the spinach in water. So as you can see, I've turned on the flame and here goes my spinach in the boiling water. So I'm gonna take this out now. This looks so green and nutritious. Now we are gonna blend the spinach in the mixer. We are now grating the carrots. We are now preparing the batter for idli. First goes in our Sooji, then goes in the spinach puree, grated carrots, curd, and some salt according to taste. Mix these properly and keep this aside for 10 minutes. We are now preparing the tadka. So first goes in the mustard seeds in the oil, then the urad dal, and then some curry leaves. Now we are going to add the tadka in the batter which we prepared earlier. Here goes in some eno. We will mix this and now we will keep this aside for 10 to 15 minutes so that the reagents will activate and we will get a nice fluffy batter. Now we are greasing the idli mold with some oil so the batter won't stick and we will get nice smooth idlis. Here goes in the batter in the mold. Now we come to the steaming process. So first we are gonna add some water for the steaming and here goes our mold and we're gonna cover this up and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now our idli is ready, so we're gonna take this out with the help of spoon. It looks so yum. You can eat this with coconut chutney. Do share this recipe and use this in your daily diet. Bye.